ಹಾಯ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 6363189565ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠದ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಸು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲೈವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್. ಸಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್? ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, dash 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 dash. See students, in this number you can see the sequence of this number 2, 4, 6, 8, dash 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 up to n numbers. Similarly, I will write one more least number, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, dash 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 up to nth term. Similarly, I will write it one more list of number, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, dash 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 up to n number. See student, in the first list, the number 2 is called first number, first term. Number 4 is called second term in the AP. Number 6 is third term and number 8 is fourth term. Now in this series you can observe 2 plus 2 we will get 4. 4 plus 2 we will get 6. 6 plus 2 we will get 8. See student, here we can observe there is some common term. By adding the 2 to the list we can get the up to nth number. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 2, 4, 6, 8 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, 2 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆದರೆ, 4 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 6 ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮತ್ತು 8 ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 2ಕ್ಕೆ 2ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 4ಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 6ಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಟು ಗೆಟ್ 4 ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ 2. ಟು ಗೆಟ್ 6 we have to add the 4 to the 2. To get next number we have to add with the 2, we will get 8. So student, here you can observe we are adding the common term, that is plus 2. This is called common difference, that is D is equals to 2. Similarly, we can observe this series number. Here you can add 10 to get next number, that is 20. For 10 plus 10 you will get 20. You can add up plus 10, you will get 30. You add the 10, you will get 40. Similarly, we can find out the number of terms. Just you go on adding the 10, 10, 10, you will get the next numbers. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ D is equals to 10. Similarly, we can go for the next term, that is this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, dash dash dash, we have a n number of terms. So student, first term is 5, you add up 5, you will get next term, that is 10. Similarly, you can add up 5, you will get 15, you add 5, you will get 20, you add 5, you will get 25. So students, we can calculate the n number of, just go on adding the 5, 5, 5. Okay. So if here the common term is common difference is d is equals to 5. Now see student, what is an arithmetic progression? In the arithmetic progression, the successive terms are obtaining by adding a fixed numbers, by adding a fixed numbers. Which are the fixed numbers? So you can see here 2 is the fixed number, here 10 is the fixed number. To the preceding term, such list of number is said to be arithmetic progressions. So fixed number we are adding to the preceding term, such number is said to be arithmetic progressions. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸಮನಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಂಥದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೌ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್, ಯಾವುದು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 10, 15, 25, 30, 50. See student, here to get next number we have to add up 5, to get next number we have to add up 10, to get next number we have to add the. See student, here we have a different common difference. We have a 5 and 10. There are two different numbers. So this is not arithmetic progressions. Okay, so students, arithmetic progressions ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ 5 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ 5 ಇರಬೇಕು, 10 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ 10 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ is called common difference of the AP. Okay, it is denoted by D. Common difference na ನಾವು D ಇಂದ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ d ಇಂದ. Okay, so this common difference, it may be a positive value or negative value or 0. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು ಡಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ 0 ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. I will take a positive value. Okay, so I will take an example. This is an example 1. See student, 2, 4, 6, 8 dash 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 dash. Here first term is 2, this is the first term, this is second term, this is third term, and this is fourth term, up to we have a nth term. So what is common difference here? 2 add the two number, you will get 4. You add the for 4, you have to add 2, you will get 6. For 6, you have to add 2, you will get 8. So common difference is D is positive number, that is 2, positive 2. Similarly, next positive value, I will take an example number 2. 10, 20, 30, 40, dash 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 up to nth value. Now student, first term is 10, second term is 20, third term is 40, and fourth term is your 40. Now what is the common difference? Calculate the common difference. See, by adding the positive value 10, we will get 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 10 is 40. So common difference is D is equals to positive value, that is 10. Now I will take an example of a common difference if common difference is negative value, then what will be the AP? Okay. See students, I will take an example 100, 70, 40, 10. See student, this is the first term, this is the first term, 70 is the second term, this is third term, and 10 will be the fourth term. We have up to n value. Nodi, first term is 100 and second term is 70. So how to get second term 70? Just you make 30 minus 100 minus 30 is 70, 70 minus 30 is 40, 40 minus 30 is 10. Okay. So here what is the common difference? The common difference is D is equals to 30. This is a negative value. Okay, this is the negative value. Okay, is it clear? Similarly, you can take down one more term, that is, I will take an example of 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, and so on. See student, here 25 is the first term, 20 is the second term, this is third term, fourth term, and fifth term. First term is 25. To get 20, we have to make minus 5, you will get 20. Similarly, 20 minus 5, you will get 15. 15 minus 5, you will get 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Similarly, we can do for the next one. 5 minus 5 is 0. Similarly, 0 minus 5 is minus 5. So that we can calculate n number. Okay. So this is the common term is, that is common difference is D is equals to minus 5. This is the minus value. Okay. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು in the before we told that the common difference D will be, it may be a positive value, D may be, it may be a negative value, or D is equals to 0. So now I will take an example of the common difference. Common difference D is equals to 0. Now 3 comma 3 comma 3 comma 3 comma dash 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 up to n value. See student, here first term, this is the first term, second term, third term and fourth term, up to we have a nth term. To get the next value, that is 3, we have to add 0 or subtract 0. For example, 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 minus 0 is 3. So student, we are getting the same value by adding 0 or subtracting 0, you will get next value. Similarly, make a 0, you will get 3, same value. It may be a positive 0 or a negative 0. So I will take the common difference d is equals to 0. Okay, 0. So these are the 3 example for common difference, that is positive value, negative value or 0. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥವರು 6363189565ಗೆ ನೀವು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಲೈವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಹಿಯರ್ 2 4 6 8 dash 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 up to nth value. See student, this is the first term, we are denoting with the a1. This is the second term, denoting with a2. This is third term, denoting by a3. This is the fourth term, denoting by a4 up to an value. Okay, an value. So a1 is also be written as a. Okay, a1 ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪದ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ sometime only a. Now this is some book, textbook they are given T1, T2, T3 and T4. These are the terms: first term, second term, third term and fourth terms. Okay, up to nth term. Okay, nth term. Okay, now to calculate common difference, how to calculate this common difference? So I will show you here. Common difference d is equals to, see student, how to calculate this common difference? That is making the 4 minus 2, that is a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1. What is a2? a2 is 4, a1 is 2. So this is equals to 2. So what is the common difference? Common difference is 2. Similarly, common difference d is equals to, that is 6 minus 4, that is a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2. What is a3? a3 is 6 minus 4. What is the common difference? Is 2. Similarly, 8 minus 6. So what is that? a4 minus a3. So d is equals to a4 minus a3 is equals to 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. So student, we are getting the same common difference. So it is an AP, that is arithmetic progressions. Okay. So we have to write some generalized formula for the AP. That is the general form of an AP is. So generalized formula will be first term we are indicating by A. Second term, how to get second term? First term plus common difference will get second term. Similarly, third term A plus 2D comma A plus 3D dash dash dash. This is the generalized form of AP. Okay. Here A is equals to first term and D is equals to common difference. So what is the generalized form? Generalized form is the A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D. Okay. So say for example your first term A is equals to 2 and common difference D is equals to 2. Now using this expression I will write the AP. Okay. So first term is 2. What is second term? This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term. Okay. So first term A is equals to 2, I will write it as it is. Second term is A plus D in the formula. What is A? A is 2, common difference is 2, you will get 4. So second term you will get 4. Third term, what is the formula? A plus 2D. What is A? A is first term, 2 into D is common difference. So this is equals to 2 plus 4. So you will get 6. So third term is 6. Okay. Fourth term, this is a first term, second term calculation, third term calculation and a fourth term calculation. So what is fourth term calculation? A plus 3D. A is first term, 3 is in the generalized formula it is given, D is 2. 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. So fourth term is this one. So student, we got the value of first term is 2 by using this one, second term using this formula, third term using this formula, fourth term using this formula. So that this is the generalized form. This is the generalized form of AP. Okay. It is not necessary ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಇನ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. I will reply. Thank you and thank you very much.